Hello kids, let's learn the vocabulary of letter S. So, I hope you like it. Capital S, small s, S. Sun, S-U-N, S for sun. S-E-A-S-E-R, S for scissor. STRAWBERRY, S for strawberry. SHARK, S for shark. 6, SIX, S for six. Snake, SNAKE, S for snake. Soap, SOAP, S for soap. Shoes, SHOES, S for shoes. Sheep, SHIP, S for sheep. Sofa, SOFA, S for sofa. Salad, SALAD, S for salad. Sink, SINK, S for sink. संत, स से संत. स से सजा. स से सुई धागा. स से सूर्यफूल. Dear kids, I hope you like this video. So please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.